Hey everyone, how's it going? We're just kind of hanging out tonight. So I've posted a lot of videos on an Echo PB200 blower. I took it apart. If you saw, well, you will see. It's a pretty long video, complete disassembly. This is the top end, guys, and you can see that I have my spark plug in there. But if you're looking close, you will see that the other side, I cut off all the heat shields, or whatever they're called. So if you get a close look at that, you can see that both sides are roughly the same angle. So guys, this is going to be a crazy project, but what I'm thinking is I'm going to attempt to make a dual spark plug 2-stroke. Now guys, I don't know if this will work. I have no idea, but I've been looking some stuff up, and you can see that that's on a slight offset up on the top, guys. So we have just a little bit of room to sneak one on the other side. I don't know yet if I'm going to put it a little lower, which would change the timing, or I don't know if I'm going to keep it about the same height that one is. I have to look that up still, guys, but I need to get, I'm probably going to get another spark plug like this. This is just a cheap spark plug anyway, so I'm gonna buy now a couple more spark plugs, and guys, I'm gonna try it out. I mean, this is a crazy project. I don't know if it's gonna come about, but I'm for sure gonna try. I've been thinking about this like all week, so I'll post some more content as I obviously am making it. It's kind of hard to film just because a lot of it is just thinking kind of through the specifics. I gotta clean up all this stuff too, so I gotta grind that down as flat as I can, if I can focus that, as flat as I can to the top. That's the real challenge. I think I did a decent job cutting, but I got to make sure those angles are about the same. And I also have to get a tap to tap in my threads for that spark plug, guys. So we'll see. I'm excited. This is just kind of about as hacky project as you can get, but I mean some engines use 2 cylinders or 2 spark plugs per cylinder, so I figure why not, why not a 2-stroke? I'm already messing with the compression anyway, so if we can generate more compression and we get more power from it, I mean, we'll see. It should lead to some interesting results. So I'll keep you posted on that, but for right now, that's where it is, guys. All right, well, I appreciate it, so I'll see you later.